Civil society, media and legislative actors, a meeting in Abuja to review proposed amendments to the FOI Act. The two-day session organized by International Press Center is bringing together media professionals, lawyers, policymakers and development partners like PLAC and Yaga Africa.
I felt that
The aim is to examine the amendments, strengthen access to information and improve reporting and compliance by government agencies.
The current reality is that a number of the 14 ministries, departments and agencies of government often escape public scrutiny because their details are not usually reflected in the annual report normally submitted by the Office of the Attorney General and Minister of Justice to the National Assembly pursuant to the oversight powers imposed on the ministry by Section 29 of the FOI Act.
We must ensure that the ongoing legislative process to amend the FOI Act does not become an exercise in weakening it. This is not the time for regression. We cannot afford to create a regime that criminalizes requesters or empowers gatekeepers.
Civil society representatives warn that some proposals could reverse the progress in transparency and citizens' rights. They said engaging now is key to ensuring the law is strengthened, not weakened.
The current proposals to amend the FOI Act is well-intentioned and commendable, but needs to address some critical concerns. Number one, preserving the spirit of the FOI Act. Any amendment must not roll back the progress made in entrenching transparency or compromise citizens' right to know. We should aim to empower oversight mechanisms, provide clarity on sanctions, and hold defaulting institutions to account.
What we should focus more is in the area of building capacities of journalists to know the content of the FOI Act. I think it is key. And above all, I think I most appreciate the Supreme Court recently. There was a judgment whereby at subnational level, state governors are not aligned in allowing journalists to use the FOI Act in trying to do their job. Now that we have such judgment, it shows that clearly FOI, no need of any domestication at any state level. It is meant for journalists to go there and do their needful.
Stakeholders agree that any amendment must protect citizens' rights to know and improve compliance by public bodies. Benny Ark, Channels Television News.